let's talk the body cloth. This is a complete game changer for your day-to-day life. I promise this is a must-have that you gotta check out. It comes with the stripe and the solid. They do the same thing. It's just a preference. If you don't have the stripe yet, definitely add this to your list because I love it. All right, let's talk about what it does. If you struggle with your nighttime routine, this is going to be a fantastic, easy solution. But it's not just for taking off makeup, which I'm gonna show you today. It is also for replacing soap. Y'all ditch those toxic chemicals, the body washes, the soaps that disrupt your skin balance, your pH. This balances it out. It replaces shaving cream so you do not get the angry bumps anymore. All right, I am gonna show you exactly how you use this to replace your makeup remover. I have waterproof mascara, I have obviously lipstick on, and I have eyeshadow, lots of makeup. So the more wet this is, the more gentle it's going to be on your skin. I like to use hot water and you don't need to press hard. So first thing I'm gonna do, I have this wet, is I'm just gonna hold it over my eye for a second because this is going to loosen up the makeup, and I'm just gonna wipe gently, get under the eyes, right here. Boom, it is all on the cloth. Look at this. I'm gonna do half of my makeup so you guys can see a before and after, but it keeps going from there. Super, super easy. Up here, a nice gentle motion. It is gonna remove all of your makeup. It gets under in that gentle area. You're only gonna use water. I have used nothing on my skin besides this cloth and water in over 5 years. Now, after you use this, first of all, look at this difference. Makeup, no makeup. Makeup, no makeup. So now, after every time you use this cloth, you wanna rinse it out really well. It comes in a 3-pack. So one of the great things that you can do is rinse it, hang it to dry. Remember, this cloth is embedded with silver that purifies the cloth in between washes. So take this, you're gonna run your water nice and warm, and then you are going to rub the cloth against itself. Rinse it and then hang it to dry. If you're like me and you don't wanna see makeup stains on it, then grab our Up laundry detergent, do a little sprinkle on it. This is going to extend the time in between washes. Just like that, you're gonna rub it, rinse it, and then you'll wring it out just like that. Now it no longer has the makeup stain. So it's super easy. And pick up some of these little magnet suction cup hooks. These are fantastic for our body cloth because you can hang them in the shower this way, hang them on your mirror by your sink. Then after you've rinsed it, wring it out, hang it to dry, and then keep using it. I just know you're gonna love this, guys. It replaces soap, it replaces shaving cream, body wash, and makeup remover. No makeup, makeup. No makeup, makeup. All right, thanks everybody. Have a wonderful day.